Okay, let's make the door. Let's start by modeling the base. Here we go. Assemble this into a model. We're going to use one part as a hinge. Anchor all the ports so they don't fall apart. We'll paint the hinge so we can see it. Now the door itself. Let's make the material wood. Take the anchor. Now let's add some attachments to the door itself. We need an attachment in the hinge. And here we need a similar attachment. We can duplicate it directly with Ctrl-D and move it here. Copy world positions from here to here, so we have two constraints in one place. And since hinge constraint works relative to the x-axis, we expand it. We change it from 1.0.0 to 0.1.0. Okay, now we have two attachments. Add the hinge constraint. We have it between the attachment in the hinge and the attachment in the door. Now, we want to make it so that the player opens the door and it closes itself. Change the actuator type to servo. Set servo max torque to somewhere around 1000. Yeah, that'll work. And angular speed is 1. And let's add a plus and minus 90-degree limit to the door. Last step. We add some no collision constraints to prevent the door from rubbing and touching the other parts. Between the door and the part. Between the door and the hinge. Between the door and the part. We can test. As we can see, the player opens the door, but the door closes by itself.